So now for the next artery which we are getting to this is the vein, right? Sorry, next vein which we are getting to discuss is what is known as the medial circumflex femoral vein. Medial circumflex femoral vein. So for the medial circumflex femoral vein, you know that it's a deep vein and it accompanies the medial circumflex femoral artery. So if this was a picture that was showing arteries and veins, you see that the medial circumflex femoral artery is side by side with the medial circumflex femoral vein. So it drains blood from the hip joint and also the surrounding thigh muscles, okay? The bad blood containing the oxygenated blood and all those waste. Okay? So it's formed by the union of the ascending, the transverse, and the descending superficial, deep, and acetabular tributary. So it receives a lot of what? Inputs. Okay? So it begins near the hip joint, capsule, and the femoral neck. It runs posteriorly around the femur, closely following the medial circumflex femoral artery. It travels horizontally towards the femoral vein system. Okay, so we said this was what medial circumflex, right? So here is just the femoral circumflex, right? So that's the lateral circumflex. The one at the back should be the medial circumflex. So, guessing. Okay, so tributaries receives the retinacular stuffs and also some unnamed tributaries from the thigh muscles. So it drains the hip joints, drains the adductor muscles, communicates with the lateral circumflex femoral vein, and the story is just beautiful. So it lies deep in the thigh, posterior to the femur. That's why I said the branch given at the back. So accompanies the medial circumflex femoral artery, connects with the deep femoral vein. Okay, so it's critical for what? The blood drainage around the femoral head. Okay, so damage to the system can now what? Compromise how bad blood is taken away, and that can lead to avascular necrosis. So it also serves as a collateral, venous pathway. Okay.